Now I'd like to show you how to edit your designs, including mirror image, rotate, change size, change color. And all this you're going to use in the zoom and pan. So we're going to start by bringing in a design. And at this particular time I'm looking for an anchor. And it shows up on my screen. And again, you can check to make sure that's the correct one you're looking for by zooming in and see what your stitch file really looks like. And then we're going to go and add the second element, which is a piece of rope that will work with the anchor. Now, when I look at this, I can see that this anchor, the rope, is way too big for the anchor. That's no issue. You just come back in, get the anchor selected. Now I can choose size. And when you choose size, you have an option right here. When you touch this icon before you do any size changing, the machine will actually change the stitch count for you so you can make your design larger or smaller. And then it will actually take the stitch count and change it for you so it will look precise when I think I made it too big. Okay, let's get that. Sorry, I'm just looking for a good size. And you can see you can do it over and over more than once. You're not tied into doing it just one-shot deal. When everything's happy, you just close it out and you can zoom in and check. Now I'm going to get to my other element and move that rope. Now again, we have the drag and drop. And this particular time I'm deciding I need the ropes to go the other way, so we're going to mirror image. Take your rope, make it match over here. Now in order to get precise right here to make sure the two ropes are touching exactly how I want them to touch, I could zoom in. At this point I can pan around the page to see exactly what I need to look at, and I can now use my positioning arrows to get that rope exactly as I want it to be in relationship to the piece that's on the anchor. Let's decide to have another piece of rope. It's easy. You just one touch and it's duplicate. You have a second piece of rope right there. I can then rotate it by 1, 10, or 90 degrees at a time. We're going to rotate this one by 30 degrees. And again, I'm going to go zoom in so I can get that positioned exactly as I want it to be. You can see you can be as precise and as accurate as you'd like. Now, once I have this all set, I would like to change those ropes to match the same colors. So you touch the color tab, and we'll make that yellow, and go back up and get the other piece of rope, and make that yellow. Everything's all good and wonderful. You can again check it out before you actually go do your stitching to see everything's exactly how you need it to be. Touch your end edit and go into sewing, and your machine will assign the thread colors in the right place, and you just push go.